But musically, my role is, I guess, to, if you're talking about the Jewish music world, is to inform, I guess, like you're saying, inform people of the variety that there is within Jewish music. It's not just Hava Nagila. And there's much that we can do with the traditional repertoire in terms of performing it in a stylistically correct manner that it makes it entertaining and interesting. And its traditional way of playing things is not dead. It is a relevant and beautiful way of playing music. But we can also take from that and create totally new form of music, and that's valid as well. So if I have a statement to make, that's the statement.